Oh my gosh. I'm sorry guys, I got problems. Hold on. All right, y'all. All right, so that was ridiculous. I hope you didn't click on it. I don't know what I'm saying. Listen, this is what I want to say. I am gonna be radio silent for like a week or two because I have to get a lot of work done. I got a good chunk of orders that came in last week and I had to get this done by Christmas. So I'll be radio silent for a little bit. However, today I did film the completion and the complete build along tutorial with the free pattern and all this. I am literally editing and uploading the video right now. So I don't know if it's gonna be available. It's gonna be available either sometime this week or Saturday or Thursday, sometime later this week. So look out for that. About that video, it is about 30 minutes long. It's a little long-winded. It's my first build along video, so I would appreciate your critique and any ways I could streamline that, make that better for you guys. So look out for that. I didn't mention that in the video, so that's why I'm saying it now. Yeah, give me your critique on that video when it comes out. It's a little lengthy. Let me know how I could fine tune it so I could better serve you guys. That'd be great. But that's all I got for you guys today. I am going to box this up and I want to show you a little bit of how I box these. I don't know why, but why not? Let's watch a boxing video, how I box this up, what comes included in the box when you get your leather. And yeah, I mean, it's just another excuse to make a video, to be honest with you. All right, let me show you what I do. When you guys order some premium leather goods, I always add in my homemade sauce. My homemade sauce and homemade little note that basically says thanks for your business with that really terrible handwriting. And also, if your product comes with Chicago screws, I do go ahead and throw in some extra screws, especially this item here. And that is because all these connectors down here are held together with Chicago screws and people have a tendency of losing those things. So, yep, let's box this up and then we're gonna box up the other one. So this special paper is a special paper, packing paper that was created in the Amazon from the Amazonian squirrel mermaids. Yeah, they have squirrel mermaids over there. It's a unique species, but yeah. It's the same material that I use for my $7,000 merch hat right here. Really, really special. And there's a lot of crinkling involved here. I'm gonna put that in there. We're gonna put this in here. And she is basically ready to go out the door. Hold on, I don't know why you guys are watching this video because this is actually a waste of your time right now. There's nothing instructive about this. Nothing instructive about this video at all, whatsoever. I'm gonna cover his name, but it also comes with a cool little sticker, right? Comes with a cool little sticker on the box, so you know it's coming from me. You know what I mean? Isn't that cool? I think it's cool. But yeah, I think she's done, ready to go. We're gonna box up the other one. This is for the chin strap. And I'm gonna have my son, write the note. If I can, these little small boxes are the worst. By the way, if you guys are into shipping and stuff, I do flat rate shipping through USPS only because it's flat rate. So I offer free shipping on my website, but basically what I do is I just include the price of shipping into the product. It's just way easier to do it that way. All my stuff fits in either the medium flat rate or the small flat rate box. All right, so it's just baked into the price. A lot easier than trying to do dimensions and weight. way easier. Probably a little more expensive, but I just have you guys pay for it, basically. Let me get my son so he can write a nice letter. Hold on. How was school, man?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah?
Simple day.
Did you punch yourself in class?
Yeah. Kids are funny.
Oh, that's good. I like it when they make fun of you. It builds character, man. Everybody's waiting on you right now. People on the other side of that camera. I want to hear you breathing. Breathe through your nose. Can you be more professional in the videos?
Live? No,
It is live. Can you be more professional in the videos? You're bringing my whole product down. You understand?
Future letters, man.
You gotta show them what you wrote. This is for the guy that won the giveaway.
Ooh.
Nelson. He won. This is a giveaway glove strap. You know what I mean? Do you even care? You look like you don't care right now. Hey, I got a game. Put your finger in here.
Oh, great. Yeah, now I can finally write.
Yeah, you get work comp forever. Hold on, you gotta write when you put this on. All right, show the camera. All right, it's still not in focus, hold on. Future leathersmith, Alexis' son. All right, bro, thanks. I love you, man. All right, finish your homework. Yeah, that's it. We're going to box this up, close it up. And this video was a waste of your time. What? Oh, wow, I broke it. I was trying to get ahead of myself. I don't know if you guys saw that. Yeah, this is, I don't know why it's doing this right now. I'm gonna leave it in. I'm not even gonna edit it out. Sometimes you gotta adapt and overcome, you know what I mean? This is a tutorial on taping a box. Okay. You want it to look really unprofessional and kind of not nice so that when they get it, they're like, oh, this is super handcrafted. You know, just the tape job. See how it's all jacked up? You put it on your belt right there. If you leave it there, it helps with the nostalgic look. You know what I mean? And yeah, that's it. Let's put another sticker. Let's put another sticker on top here. Let's put this wig back where it belongs. All right, there you go. 2 boxes ready to go. That's how I do it. I don't know if you guys even care to see that, but it's just another excuse to make a video. I'll see you guys. Look out for that video coming out at the end of this week for the how to build that glove strap, and give me your opinion and your critique on that. And you guys have a good week. I'm gonna be kind of busy getting some stuff done. Maybe I'll make a little video on a small portion of what I'm doing, maybe gluing or beveling, something small, a 5-minute video. I might do that. But talk to you guys later. Have a good one. God bless you. Goodbye.